Hi, I am Sumeera. Our project name is Seculet, we care. The word itself means that securing lives with the help of helmet. The first half of the word is secure, is taken from the word secure, and the second half is taken from the word helmet. Our lives are very precious on this earth surface. Saving our life is important task. In day-to-day life, we use two-wheeler vehicles, which is two-wheelers vehicle for basic needs. Around 21 crores register for two-wheelers, and on researching we came to know that more number of accidents are of two-wheeler vehicles. To secure on highway road, we can't able to see that ahead vehicles which is moving or stop in the midnight. So to verify whether it is moving or stopped, we can use this helmet. We can use this helmet. It detects the object ahead us and gives signals, whether it gives signals in the form of buzzer and the lights. In this way we can prevent accidents, road accidents. Then my friend continue.
I'm Samya of roll number 588. I'm here to explain existing solution. So there is a famous company called Alta Smart Helmet. So recently it launched a smart helmet. Mainly features of that helmet are for crash detection and calling to the last contacted person when in case it detects a crash, and sending your location to the nearby hospital. But the main loophole of this helmet is it is not preventing accident, but also it is in this helmet is it is not preventing the accident, and thereby it is searching a solution after the accident. So I guess it is great to prevent an accident. It's great to prevent an accident than rather than searching for a solution after the accident. Now my friend will continue.
I am Vinay, roll number of 578. Now I am going to explain about components used in this project: Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, LED, and 9 volts battery. In this Arduino, there are 3 types of pins. First one is digital pins and analog pins, power pins. Power pins are used to connect the supply the power, and analog pins are used to analog sensors, and digital pins are used to input output functions. Then ultrasonic sensor. This is the sensor which is detect the object or vehicle, and this ultrasonic sensor will send the signals to the Arduino. Then after, Arduino will send the signals to the buzzer, and LED will glow and buzzer will buzz.
So I'll explain about the working. So basically what happens at night times is, these days every vehicles are using high beams. So by these high beams there is a reflection in our eyes while we are driving on the opposite side. So for at least to 8 to 10 seconds there is a blind spot in our eyes. So at that instance anything can happen, any collision can happen. So our project is designed in such a way that when we supply the power to the Arduino, anything which comes in the way of the rider, the ultrasonic sensor will detect it and it will intimate the rider, saying that you have object in front of you and you may collide. See, for demonstration purpose, we have kept the ultrasonic sensor distance for about 50 centimeters. As you can see, whenever I keep my hand over here, the buzzer is buzzing, and also the LED is indicating that there is something in your way which you may collide. So like this, at night times, when visibility is very low, the rider gets intimated if there is any collision that is going to be taken place, and he will just slow down, or he will just change the lane, and he will avoid the collision. Like this, I think we can save many people's life. This is just a small yeah, thank you. Now my friend Cherish will continue.
I am Cherish. I'll say how the distance is measured here. So when we set the pickup pin of the ultrasonic sensor to high in the code, the pickup pin will generate sound waves. So when these sound waves are hit by an object, then they get reflected back, and this reflected sound waves are received by the echo pin, and this echo pin will then calculate the duration for which the sound waves are for sound waves it took to reflect back. So this duration is then calculated to distance using a formula. So once the distance is calculated, if the distance is greater than 50, we'll provide several outputs like buzzer and turning on an LED. So the maximum distance is 500 centimeters, and we can change it to our wish. So this is how the distance is calculated. Thank you.